Today, you're going to learn how to add music to a video on TikTok in 2026, step by step, if you want your videos to get more views, feel more professional, and connect better with people. Adding the right music is key. So let's go step by step so you can do it the right way. The first thing you need to do is open TikTok on your phone. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because some features may not appear if you're using an older version. Once you're inside the app, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This will open the camera where you can start creating your video. Now you have two options. You can record your video directly inside TikTok, or you can upload a video from your gallery if you want to upload. Tap on Upload and select the video you want to use. Once your video is ready, look at the top of the screen. You will see an option that says Add Sound. Tap on that option. Now TikTok will show you a library of sounds and music. Here you can browse trending sounds, search for a specific song, or explore different categories. This part is very important because using trending sounds can help your video reach more people. So take a moment to choose the right audio once you find the sound you want. Tap on it. You can preview it before selecting it when you're ready. Tap the check mark to add it to your video. Now the music is added, but you can still adjust it. Look for the option that lets you trim or edit the sound. Here you can choose exactly which part of the song you want to use. This is important because the right moment in a song can make your video much more engaging. You can also adjust the volume. For example, if you're speaking in the video, you can lower the music and keep your voice clear. If your video doesn't have voice, you can increase the music volume. Now continue editing your video. You can add text, effects, filters, and transitions. Take your time to make everything look clean and engaging. Once everything is ready, tap Next. Now you'll be on the posting screen. Here you can write your caption, add hashtags, and adjust your settings before posting. Play your video one more time. Make sure the music is synced correctly with your visuals. If something feels off, go back and adjust it. Once you're happy with the result, tap Post, and your video will be live with music. Now here are a few important tips. Always try to use sounds that match your content. The music should enhance the video, not distract from it. Also, keep an eye on trending sounds because TikTok often pushes videos that use popular audio. Another tip is timing. Try to match cuts or transitions in your video with the beat of the music. This makes your content more satisfying to watch. And finally, don't overcomplicate it. Sometimes simple videos with the right sound perform better than heavily edited ones. And that's it. That's how you can add music to a TikTok video, step by step in 2026.